Hello lovelies, welcome back to another video. I just want to show you how I process my Tom Brown, how I do the packaging. Okay, so this is a 4 cereal Tom Brown mix. Yeah, I have just finished roasting it and I'm going straight to the grinding mill. So I used wheat, rice, soya beans, and then groundnuts or peanuts. Okay, so it's just four cereals Tom Brown. Yeah, so I just finished roasting it, and I'll be putting the list of ingredients and their measurements, okay, in the description box below, so please check that out. I have a video of Tom Brown makes different type of how to make Tom Brown. Okay, there's 7 cereals and also 10 or so, yeah, and also that of tiger nut and date mixed Tom Brown. Please do check that video out. I've just reached the grinding mill. This is where I do my Tom Brown mix. Of course, is going through the process to become powder. So if you get to the grinding mill, you have to insist that they grind it for about 4 to 5 times, yeah, to ensure that it's properly very smooth. Yes, so I got to the house and I had to let it cool down completely before I start packaging my Tom Brown. Okay, so if you are new to this channel, please do well to subscribe and then hit on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you are going to get a notification from YouTube. And please do like this video. Okay, so I actually do my small scale business in Tom Brown and I'm doing well. I really like doing business like this because, yeah, at my workplace and on social media, I just post it and then people call and then we meet at an advantage point for me to give them their Tom Brown. This is very yummy Tom Brown, very nice Tom Brown. Yes, so actually do this for my small scale business, and I also do the Tom Brown that has tiger nut and dates also. So I post all that on social media and I sell it also on my workplace, at my workplace. Okay, so yes, so I am measuring this. This is half bowl. This bowl that I'm using to measure, that's half a bowl. Okay, so others do buy a bowl, half a bowl, and I also do packages in this some nice containers. Yeah, so it depends on how much people want to buy it. Yes, and also those people that also want to buy in bulk to resell it, I do it for them. Okay, so if you are interested, you can link up. Yeah, you can give me a message. Yeah, then we can do business together. So yes, that is pretty much how I do the packaging, and also I put them in those container. With the packaging, you have to make sure that you can get a label. Just make a sticker and then put it on the container. Also these rubbers. Okay, so you can decide to tie it or you can use a stapler or also heat to seal the rubber. Okay, yes, so this is how I do the packaging. So guys, let me just talk about the measurements here. I use 2 bowls of wheat, 2 bowls of rice. I use the local rice, no problem, any type of rice that you have, you can use it. And I also used 2 bowls of soya beans. Okay, and also half a bowl of groundnuts or peanuts. There's a reason why the peanut is very small. You don't have to overwhelm your Tom Brown with a lot of peanut. It's not going to last. Okay, it's not going to last longer. So as much as we want peanut to be in our Tom Brown, we also want our Tom Brown to last longer. So just half a bowl of Tom Brown, 2 bowls of soya beans, 2 bowls of rice, 2 bowls of beans. 2 bowls of soya beans. Yeah, so those are the ingredients I use for this Tom Brown. So guys, so this is how I packaged it. Yes, and I also kept some in some containers. Okay, I'm going to put a picture of my other packaging. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, please guys, thank you so much for watching. Do subscribe and like this video. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.